on a tour of a new home community here in Palm Beach County. This community features 7 models, 13 different floor plans, ranging in size from 1,400 square feet to just over 2,700 square feet. Are you ready? Let's get started. So this is number 2 of 7 in the community tour, and it is the Riley model. This is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, just under 2,600 square feet, and it starts at $650. What I love about this floor plan is you do have a nice open floor plan with lots of windows, perfect for entertaining. All the bedrooms have their own bathroom, giving you that added privacy. And you do have options, like for this side here, you have this full bath with the stand-up shower, nice sized bedroom with a regular closet, but you could turn this into an additional owner suite or in-law suite. And how you would do that was this wall would be gone and it would connect to the flex space, giving you like a bedroom with a living area. And on this side of the home, you have the 2-car garage, which they upgraded in here, so you'll see a 3-car garage. You have the laundry room with all of the cabinets. Again, those cabinets are typically an upgrade. Usually you're just going to get the washer and dryer in that space. You can always add your own cabinets later. But this is shown with a 3-car garage. You do have options to add, that additional 3rd car, and also add 4 feet to give you some more space if you have golf carts, bikes, motorcycles. And then you'll have the other nice size closet, full bedroom with another full bath in here. And it's nice too, you don't have to share any of those. You also have a guest bath. So just give you a layout. And then you see the tub, which is typically what would come in the home. So stand-up showers are typically an upgrade, and if you see that tile with the black stripe, that's typically an upgrade too. So when you're walking through here, you're just going to see the half bath, and that door is just for the AC. Nice. Love the way they decorated in here. And then we're going to come out to this open space. So that flex space could be your 4th bedroom, or it could also close off and be the living room for the 2nd additional in-law suite. And then you just have this massive kitchen, lots of cabinets. You have this pantry with extra storage space in here. It's open to the living, dining, and you have the breakfast area. So you have the formal and informal eating spaces. Those cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. You have your gas cooktop and then it's just open to the covered lanai in the pool area. And then there's your living area. You have this beautiful space, perfect for entertaining. You do have options again. You've probably seen them in some of the other homes with this builder where you can add a grill, or at least add the gas plumbing for the grill. That way, if you wanted to do it later, it's already there for you. Same thing if you want to screen in anything, add the tracks with the pavers now. It just saves time and money in the future. Those are things that are harder to do later. We're adding cabinets in the laundry room. That can easily be done. Just depending on the cost of the builder versus what you could do it yourself. You have your water closet. You have this large stand-up shower with the tub. You could take that glass and extend it all the way, so they're both behind the glass. You have your dual sinks, and you have a nice size walk-in closet in here. So they did it with this wood shelving, and then we'll just come back out into the owner's suite. And back through this open living space. So you can really get an idea that this is just an open, nice floor plan. Good for entertaining, but everyone has their own private space. Well, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or a text. If there's a tour of a home you want me to do, please leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best. And like and subscribe. Thank you.